Get ready to explore 10 jaw-dropping classic cars that redefine vintage cool. From brutal horsepower to jaw-dropping restorations, these machines are more than just metal. They're stories on wheels. Which one will steal your heart? Stick around and discover the legends behind the engines. 1. 1950 GMC Custom Pickup Truck, 36500. This restored 1950 GMC 5-window pickup combines classic styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a new Chevy 350 crate engine and a turbo 700 R4 transmission, it offers reliable performance. Unique modifications include an electric hydraulic lift bed for storage access and a custom fuel tank. While the silver paint has minor imperfections, the truck's overall condition and attention to detail make it a standout hot rod. Top 2 1964 Chevy Nova SS Restomod, $55,000. A complete frame-off restoration by Fatman Fabrications transformed this 1964 Chevy Nova SS into a show-quality Restomod. Powered by a 434 CI small block engine delivering 600 HP, it features a 700 R4 transmission, 4-link suspension, and Wildwood disc brakes. The BMW steel blue-gray paint and detailed bodywork showcase exceptional craftsmanship, making this a high-performance classic. Three, 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, $27,500. This 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix is powered by a 455 CID engine rebuilt by Troy's Speed Shop, featuring a forged crankshaft TH400 transmission with a Hoffman shift kit. With its rust-free Southern California history and original documentation, this car maintains its authenticity while delivering muscle car performance. It's a clean, mechanically solid driver with classic Pontiac styling. (1963) Pro Street Corvette, $73,000. This 1963 Pro Street Corvette is a show-stopping custom build. It features a fiberglass Harry Glass body and a 5 65 BBC engine with a TBS 871 blower, producing 1,500 HP. Equipped with a Power Glide transmission, it was built for racing, but is now primarily a show car. This street-legal hot rod offers a blend of unmatched power and sleek design. Five 1931 Ford Model A Custom Coupe, $45,500. This 1931 Ford Model A Coupe is a professionally built hot rod featuring an all-steel body with a chopped and channeled design. Powered by a Blueprint 383 engine producing 450 HP, It's paired with a TCI TH350 transmission and QA1 adjustable coilover suspension. Its aggressive stance is accentuated by rocket strike wheels and custom details like drilled radius rods and a button-down canvas top. (1929) Ford Model A Roadster. This traditional style 1929 Ford Model A Roadster showcases classic craftsmanship with a steel body, chopped and shortened frame, and split wishbone suspension. Powered by a Chevy 327 engine producing 350 HP, it's equipped with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission for an authentic driving experience. Highlights include King B headlights, a louvered deck lid, and vintage styling, making it a standout hot rod. (7) 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe. This rust-free 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe features a new Mustang II front end with power disc brakes and a turbo 350 transmission paired with a Chevy 327 engine. Finished in Tucson tan enamel, it boasts a clean all-steel body with new panels and stylish chrome garnish moldings. The interior includes mohair seating, although the headliner still needs installation. Ready to drive, this coupe combines timeless design with dependable performance. (8) 1969 Chevy Nova LS2, $44,000. This 1969 Chevy Nova is a pro street car built for high performance. With an LS2 engine featuring a Magnuson TVS 2300 blower and a Roadster Stage 5 transmission, it's capable of a 9-second quarter mile while still street legal. Its upgraded ladder bar suspension, Fort One-Woven gears, and Willwood disc brakes ensure precise handling. The RacePack IQ3 display and RaceTech seats add modern functionality to this classic muscle car. (9) 1940 Chevrolet Convertible Custom, $19,992. A professionally built custom, this 1940 Chevrolet Convertible combines modern performance with classic aesthetics. Equipped with C4 Corvette running gear, independent air ride suspension, and a Tuneport 350 engine, paired with a 4-speed overdrive transmission, it delivers a smooth ride. Features like leather seating, air conditioning, and a power top ensure comfort, while the stainless dual exhaust and custom gauges add to its polished appeal. 1929 Ford Model A Roadster Pickup, $16,000. This 1929 Roadster pickup retains a classic hot rod style with fiberglass elements for the doors, fenders, and running boards. Powered by a Chevy 350 engine and a newly rebuilt 350 automatic transmission, it offers reliable performance. The satin black paint enhances its vintage appeal, though there are minor chips and blemishes. A versatile vehicle, it can serve as a stylish shop truck or a solid base for further customization. Let me know if there's anything else to adjust.